So is anyone else really bored during this quarantine? Because I know I am. So since I'm so bored, I thought I would share my tuna casserole recipe with you guys. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, so starting out, I am mixing 2 cups of milk with a can of cream of chicken and a can of cream of celery on medium heat. Okay, and then once that's done, I'm going to be adding 4 ounces of cream cheese, and then I'm gonna mix that thoroughly into the mixture. Okay, now I'm gonna take a 9-ounce can and a 4-ounce can of tuna. I'm putting it into the mixture with the water. I'm gonna go ahead and give that a stir and let that simmer for a little bit. All right, and this is the only seasoning I'm adding to the mixture. You can use any seasoning you want. It doesn't really matter. It's just to your preference at this point. All right, now once that's mixed, I'm gonna go ahead and add some cheese. Yes, I said cheese. I didn't say this was healthy. I said this was gonna be good, okay? But don't go too crazy with the cheese. Just put in a little bit, not too much, and then you're gonna go ahead and mix that and let it melt in with the sauce. Let it simmer for a little bit. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and add in some frozen vegetables. Fresh would be best, but the vegetable selection at my local store was trash, honestly, and I wasn't having it. So this is all I had, but whatever you have on hand will work. Okay, once that's simmering and once the noodles are cooking, go ahead and put Ritz crackers into a Ziploc bag and beat the piss out of it. Go ahead and imagine that it's your man. You know, all the stress he put you through the week, go ahead and take it out on that bag. Okay, once the noodles are halfway cooked, go ahead and put 2 ounces of melted butter onto the noodles and mix it well. Then you're going to go ahead and add the mixture on top of the noodles. Go ahead and mix that well. All right, now I'm going to be adding the rest of the cheese. Now is the time where you can go crazy with the cheese, okay? You can put in as little or as much as you want. It doesn't really matter. It's up to you. Where the cop's at, you feel me? Okay, and then on top of that, we're going to be putting the Ritz crackers that we beat up. We're gonna place that evenly on top of the cheese. Now, I honestly really feel that the Ritz crackers makes the casserole. Just my honest opinion. If you don't like Ritz crackers, go ahead and substitute it with whatever. But I feel like it really goes hard, but it's up to you. Like I said, where the cop's at. All right, and also shout out to Zelda for letting me use her frozen dishware. These dishes are honestly so unnecessary, but they come in handy, you know. And then after that, we're gonna pop it in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. And this is the finished product. Now you cannot tell me that this does not look delicious, even if you don't like tuna. Come on, look at how good it looks. It smells so rich and buttery. Oh, I can feel Jesus in this room, and he's like, girl, if you don't stop playing and serve me a plate, okay? That's how good it smells right now. Now this would go hard, and I mean go hard, with a salad and a sweet tea. But my vegetable selection was looking ragged and I wasn't having it. So I'm left to eat this sorry biscuit. But I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, so there you go, guys. I know a lot of you have been requesting that I make recipe videos. Psych! Girl, ain't no one asking me nothing. We are in a pandemic. You really think people are like stopping time out of their day to be like, I need to know how Ashley makes this before shit hits the fan? No, girl. No. I'm just bored as hell. And I thought I'd share. Here you go.